Boker Tov, good morning. The lesson today we're gonna learn the Hebrew vowels. Last lesson we learned about the Hebrew letters, and today we're gonna continue with the vowels. It's less important for us the name of the vowels because we want to do it very practical. So I'm gonna say the name of the vowels, but the most important for us is the sound. So this is called the kamatz and has the sound of a, and the patach has the sound of a also. That's like a little T under the letter, and this is just a line like that. And we're using as an example the letter Aleph just because it doesn't have any sound, so we can hear the sound of the vowel. So here we have a. These two dots under the letter are named tsere, and 3 dots segol. This one has the sound of e, and that's a little bit more open, e. Then we have the chirik. It's 1 dot with the sound of e, and it can also come with the letter yud. Afterwards they have the same sound exactly, e. Then we have the cholam with 1 dot on the top left with the sound of o, and it can also come with the letter vav with a dot on the top. The letter vav has the sound of v, but when it has a dot on the top, the cholam, then it sounds like o. So o, and then you have kubutz and shuruk. Kubut is 3 dots, one after the other in diagonal, or the letter vav is a dot in the middle on the left side. So this is shuruk and kubutz and shuruk, u. So we have a, e, o, u. Now we're going to do one by one. We're going to see one by one slowly. After that, we are going to practice our reading. A. Kamatz, patach. A. E. Tsere, segol. E. I, chirik, and the letter yud. I. O, that's the cholam. O. U, shuruk, kubutz, and shuruk. Now we're going to use the letter tzadi to practice our reading. Tsa, tse, tsi, tso, tsu. In the first lesson, we learned that the letter tzadi has the sound of like T and S together. Tsa, tsa, tse, tsi, tso, tsu. Now, in our example, we have the letter mem. Mem with a, ma. Mem with e, me. Mem with I, mi. Mem with mo. Mem with u, mu. Now it's your turn. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Your turn. Very good. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. You should remember that in Hebrew we read from right to left, not like in English. La, le, li, lo, lu. Now it's your turn. Very good. La, le, li, lo, lu. Now we have mixed some of the letters, so it's a little bit more difficult, but we'll do it together. Na, ge, si, lo, du. Once more. Na, ge, si, lo, du. Now it's your turn. Na, ge, si, lo, du. Ma, ta, mi, si, ta. Your turn. Ma, ta, si, mi, ma, ta, mi, si, ta. Na, li, ni, no, sha. Na, li, ni, no, sha. Your turn. Very good. Mi, go, ta. Mi, go, ta. Your turn. Very good. Now we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. Musical notes. Your turn. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. Now your turn alone. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. La, ne, li, no, te, na, ge, o, lo, ni, mi, le, ne, a. Once more. La, ne, li, no, te, na, ge, o, lo, ni, mi, le, ne, a. And finally, we have some words. Mo, re. That means a teacher. More, masculine. More. To, va. To, va. Good feminine. Cho, ma. A, ta. Ko, la. Once more. More, tova, choma, ata, kola. Now alone. More, tova, choma, ata, kola. Shalom. Shalom is goodbye. Shalom is peace. So I see you in the next lesson, and you can write your commentaries. You can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.